In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfollow on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap, so you can quickly tidy up the list of writers and publications you follow. Start by opening Substack. You can use the mobile app or a web browser. The labels are the same, and the flow is nearly identical. Once Substack is open to your account, head to your profile. You'll usually get there by tapping your profile picture or icon, which brings up your profile page with your account details and connection lists. On your profile page, select the option labeled See Subscribers. Think of this as the hub for managing your connections on Substack. It's the quickest way to jump into the lists that show who's connected with you and who you're connected to. Inside that view, switch over to the section labeled Following. This moves you from seeing your subscribers to seeing the publications and writers you currently follow. Give the page a moment to load if you have a long list. It may take a second for everything to populate. Now, look through your following list to find the publication or writer you want to unfollow. Next to each name, you'll see a button that reads Following. That button is a toggle. Tapping it once will change it to Follow, which indicates you've unfollowed that account. The change is immediate, so you should see the button's label update right away. If you ever change your mind, simply tap the button again to follow them back. No extra steps required. If the button doesn't seem to update, wait a moment and check your connection, then try tapping again. Occasionally, refreshing the page or returning to your profile and re-entering the following section helps the list catch up. Also, take a quick look to ensure you're selecting the correct account by checking the name and avatar, especially if multiple accounts have similar names. That's the entire process. Open Substack, go to your profile, choose. See Subscribers, switch to Following, and use the Following button next to any account to toggle Unfollow. You can repeat this for as many accounts as you like, and you can refollow anytime with the same button. With this simple workflow, keeping your Substack following list focused and relevant is straightforward. Thanks for watching, and if this walkthrough helped, feel free to follow along for more clear, step-by-step guides like this one.